Hey, this is Roy from Cloud9 Classics here in Alpharetta, Georgia, checking out this spectacular one-of-a-kind build from Vintage Motorcars of California. Now, this one was a build to spec for a very special customer, actually an anniversary gift for a very nice woman from a very nice guy. So they're going to take delivery of this car tomorrow, and I'm going to give you a quick walk-around tour just so you can check out all the amazing features and learn all about this build. So if you want to try to duplicate or do something close, give me a call. We'll talk about it. Let's take a quick walk-around tour. Beautiful white with a mahogany leather interior. You'll see up front it does have the bumper guards front and rear. It's got amber-colored driving lights. It's got the mesh headlight grills. Now, Vintage Motorcars of California is building probably the highest quality Speedster on the market today. The paint quality, fit, and finish is just top notch. You got the Vintage 190 aluminum wheels with the emblem hubcaps. Now, as I come across here, you're probably saying, what the heck is that? Well, that's a hard tonneau cover with the headrest fairings. This one's got one on the driver and passenger side, gives it a really sporty race day look. That is removable, and then you can install a full tonneau or boot cover. They ordered both. This one's got the beehive style taillights and the spider shine down license plate light. Here's your rear bumper guards. Now, little secret is hiding underneath the engine lid here is something a little bit special. We got a 2.5 liter single overhead cam Subaru water-cooled fuel-injected motor, pushing out about 200 horsepower, built by Outfront Motorsports. It makes a difference. The power level in this machine is next level. It is a blast to drive. Now, when you order our cars with the Subaru motor package, you also get the independent rear suspension and the A1 performance exhaust. It's all custom done. This one's got the single exit pipe. The muffler and the exhaust on this thing just sounds amazing. I'll fire it up so you can hear it. Just beautiful from every angle. Now, this one's been affectionately named Betty White. So Betty White is looking forward to meeting her new owners, and they are sure to enjoy it. She'll be running around South Carolina for a while, so if you see her, give her a wave. This one also has a passenger side view mirror on it. Now, of course, here at Cloud9 Classics, we install all the Porsche emblems. So it's got the front nose emblem, the rear deck lid Porsche emblem, another Porsche emblem on the dash, and the Porsche horn button. Now, check out the interior. Mahogany leather, oatmeal German square weave carpeting, our custom door pockets, the polished door pulls. She is sweet. Wood grain steering wheel just really complements this interior color. Now, you may have seen this also has the diamond stitch seating. We used a ivory colored thread to match the exterior, or a white thread I should say, not ivory. Now, what else is different on the interior of this? Well, check out that custom air conditioning setup on this baby. This is something the Vintage Motorcars of California has just started to do. Really brings the quality of the interior up to the next level when you add AC. And we used to just use an under dash unit like a lot of the builders were using. It just didn't look the part. It didn't match the quality of the build. So Greg and his team have done a custom fitted, wrapped in the same color as the interior, the mahogany leather, that really is outstanding. It performs really well. You got two vents on the passenger side, two on the driver's side. Really nice. This one's got the aluminum race pedals. Of course, the e-brake is mounted underneath the dash. You also see here these document pockets. This is, again, something that in the past year, Greg and his team at Vintage Motorcars of California have added to their builds for authenticity. It's a nice look. And when you do this AC setup, the retro sound Bluetooth stereo gets installed right, integrated directly in that panel underneath the dash, which is a really nice touch. We've got our VDO gauges. Again, a GPS speedometer. So, of course, with this Subaru setup, she's got not only a little extra horsepower, but a little throatier tone as well. I'll fire it up so you can hear it. This one also has the Bosch original styled ignition. So you push in to start this baby. Fuel injected, fires right up. Now, of course, with this whole setup, we put some test miles, or Greg and his team put some test miles on it. So she's got a little under 100 miles. I'll let you hear it running. Yep, Betty White's got a little bit of a growl to her. Sounds fantastic. I'm going to show you the engine bay. Here's your Subaru setup with the air conditioning. Just a beautiful install. So if you're in the market for a Speedster replica, definitely give me a call. We can basically build you the car of your dreams. We can go traditional and classic with our 2332, or we can give you all the upgrades like these folks have chosen here. Give me a call, 770-359-8400. Thanks a lot. Look for Betty White out on the road soon.